If you already know the thermal impedance of the heatsink, or if you feel that a special design is better than the SemiSel example, then you can specify the so-called Foster elements with the R theta and tau in a table. The curve changes according to your input. The original proposal from SemiSel remains for reference in green. You can add or delete elements of the thermal equivalent circuit. Up to 10 elements are possible. The cursor shows the z theta value at selected time points. With the reset button, you can return to the original proposal. With the pin, you can set your input as the new reference curve. Some power modules or stacks have a heatsink already included. At the cooling page, you now find a product-specific heatsink. The power module is bundled together with the heatsink. Most of the properties are now already specified. Only the coolant temperature and the coolant flow rate may be specified.